Imagine turning your knack for problem solving into a lucrative side hustle without leaving your home. That's the power of remote triaging. Remote triaging is all about assessing and prioritizing issues to find the best solution quickly. Whether it's in tech support or healthcare, remote triggers play a crucial role in keeping things running smoothly. In this video, we're going to explore why remote triaging is the ideal side hustle. We'll dive into what it involves, the skills you need, how to get started, and the potential earnings. Plus, we'll share some real-life success stories to inspire you. So, if you're looking for a flexible, rewarding side hustle that you can do from anywhere, keep watching. Remote triaging might just be the perfect fit for you. What is remote triaging? So, what exactly is remote triaging? Remote triaging involves assessing and prioritizing issues, often in tech or healthcare, to determine the best course of action. Think of it as being the first line of defense when a problem arises. In tech support, remote triggers help diagnose and troubleshoot issues, guiding users through solutions or escalating problems to the right experts. In healthcare, they evaluate patient symptoms over the phone or online to decide the urgency of medical attention required. The goal is always the same: to quickly and accurately determine the severity of an issue and direct it to the appropriate resources. This skill not only saves time, but also ensures that critical problems are addressed promptly, while less urgent ones are managed efficiently. Remote triaging is all about making quick, informed decisions and effectively communicating them, making it an invaluable role in many industries. Why remote triaging is ideal for a side hustle. Now let's talk about why remote triaging is an ideal side hustle. First up, flexibility and convenience. One of the biggest advantages of remote triaging is the ability to work from anywhere at any time. Whether you're at home, at a coffee shop, or even on vacation, as long as you have an internet connection, you can do your job. This makes it perfect for balancing with a full-time job and studies or other commitments. You can set your own hours and work when it suits you best. Next, let's look at the high demand for these skills. In today's fast-paced world, companies and healthcare providers increasingly rely on remote triagers to streamline operations and enhance efficiency. This high demand translates to more job opportunities and job security. Businesses need people who can quickly assess and prioritize issues, ensuring smooth operations and satisfied customers or patients. So not only do you get the flexibility to work on your own terms, but you also tap into a skill set that's in high demand. This combination makes remote triaging a fantastic side hustle for anyone looking to earn extra income and gain valuable experience. Skills required for remote triaging. So what skills do you need to succeed in remote triaging? First and foremost, problem-solving abilities. Critical thinking and quick decision-making are essential. You'll need to analyze issues as they arise, determine their severity, and decide on the best course of action swiftly. This skill is crucial because it ensures that problems are addressed efficiently, minimizing downtime and improving outcomes. Next, communication skills. Effective communication is crucial for conveying issues and solutions clearly. Whether you're explaining a technical problem to a user or describing symptoms to a healthcare professional, clear and concise communication helps ensure everyone understands the situation and the steps needed to resolve it. Finally, technical proficiency. Basic tech knowledge, especially in the relevant field, is often necessary. In tech support, this might mean understanding software and hardware basics. In healthcare, it could involve a familiarity with medical terminology and procedures. This technical knowledge helps you accurately assess problems and provide appropriate solutions or guidance. By honing these skills, you'll be well equipped to excel in remote triaging and turn it into a successful side hustle. How to get started ready to start your journey in remote triaging. Here's how you can get started. First, consider training and certification. Look for courses or certifications in triage-specific skills or related fields. Many online platforms offer programs that can teach you the essentials of triaging, whether it's for tech support, healthcare, or another industry. These certifications can boost your credibility and make you more attractive to potential employers. Next, focus on building a portfolio. Gain experience through volunteering or freelancing platforms to showcase your skills. This hands-on experience is invaluable and demonstrates your capability to handle real-world situations. Plus, a solid portfolio can help you stand out when applying for remote triaging positions. Now, let's talk about potential earnings. Remote triaging roles can offer competitive income. The average earnings depend on the industry and your level of expertise. But many remote triagers make a substantial side income. With time and experience, there's significant potential for growth. As you build your skills and reputation, you can move into higher paying opportunities and even consider specializing in areas that command higher rates. Lastly, consider scalability. The beauty of remote triaging is that it can grow with you. As you gain more experience and enhance your skills, you can take on more complex and higher paying tasks. This scalability means that what starts as a side hustle can evolve into a major income stream over time. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to starting a successful and rewarding side hustle in remote triaging. Real-life success stories. To inspire you, let's look at some real-life success stories of individuals who have turned remote triaging into a profitable side hustle. First, meet Sarah, a full-time nurse. Sarah started remote triaging for a healthcare company during her off hours. With her medical background, she quickly adapted to assessing patient symptoms online. Within a few months, she was making a significant extra income, allowing her to pay off student loans faster and save for a dream vacation. Next, there's Mark, a tech enthusiast. Mark began his remote triaging journey by offering his services on freelance platforms. He initially helped friends and family with tech issues and then expanded to a broader clientele. His problem-solving skills and technical knowledge soon earned him positive reviews and steady work. Now Mark enjoys a flexible schedule and earns enough to support his hobbies and additional savings. Finally, let's talk about Priya, a stay-at-home mom. Priya wanted to contribute financially while still being present for her children. She took an online certification course in remote triaging and started working for a telehealth company. The job allowed her to work during her kids' nap, times and evenings. Over time, she built a strong reputation and increased her hourly rate. Priya now balances her family life with a rewarding side hustle that significantly boosts her household income. These stories show that with the right skills and determination, remote triaging can be a highly profitable and flexible side hustle. Whether you're a professional looking to supplement your income or someone seeking a new career path, remote triaging offers endless opportunities for success. As we wrap up, I want to encourage you to explore remote triaging as a side hustle. It's a flexible and rewarding career that can fit into your life no matter how busy you are. Take the first steps today. Look into training and certification programs. Start building your portfolio and dive into this high-demand field. The journey may start small, but with dedication, it can grow into something substantial. Remote triaging is more than a side hustle. It's a pathway to financial independence and personal growth. Start your journey today. Thank you for watching, and good luck on your remote triaging adventure.